Hi guys, and welcome to Aurea Villas. This is one of the nicest projects I think is currently under construction on the Costa del Sol. We are talking about villas with sea views, a row of 10 of these luxurious items developed by DGC, Dividend Gate Capital, which is a Bahraini company who have decided to express their appreciation of the Costa del Sol and design this incredible selection of villas like the one you can see behind me. Come with me and I will show you how beautiful this villa is, and considering the prices you find along the Costa del Sol, to get a villa of this proportions for 1.55 million euros is quite astounding. This is a collection of 10 very exclusive villas built right on the border of the Estepona golf course. First thing that strikes you when you walk into this house is this incredible Iroko wooden door. 3.30 meters of incredibly stable, well-reinforced security door. Now, as we walk in past this beautiful floating staircase, you can see the amount of light that bathes this entire villa. We have this huge lounge, open space with its kitchen, and also its dining area, a total of around 95 square meters just in this little space alone, okay? This lounge, as you can see, again, it leads straight out onto the beautiful terrace, which we have outside, over 100 square meters of terrace, plus an extra 100 square meters of garden. Everybody who lives on the Costa del Sol is dreaming of having a villa with a view like that. Flowing out of this lounge, as I mentioned, into this open space, we have our very high quality kitchen, right? This kitchen, the entire design is actually Arredo 3, which is a very beautiful Italian company who designs these kitchens. And as we come round, you can appreciate this X-Tone. We have this X-Tone amazing countertop, which is both behind and on the island in front of me. As we come in, we see this incredible Bora induction cooker. This is state-of-the-art, one of the highest quality induction cookers on the market today. And what I most love about this kitchen is we actually have a Quooker tap. Now the Quooker tap is something which is a little bit special. As you can see here, you go from your cold and it even informs you when you have your hot water. Coming around, of course, we have our Miele appliances, which are something, as we all appreciate, another high quality Italian brand. And as we walk through, this is where we would find our wash area. In the wash area, you can see that not only do we have a fully fitted washing machine and tumble dryer, we also have our aerothermic system, and also this provides the hot and cold water for the entire interior when it comes to its underfloor cooling and heating systems. If you come with me around to the side, down here is where you will find your first bedroom on our ground floor for those who are less able to climb up the stairs. So here we have it again, a beautiful bedroom with a sea view. It is en suite with this wonderful Roca finishes. We have the actual Geberit toilets along with our Roca sink and our Roca shower and Hans Grohe installations for our taps and showers. As we all know, Hans Grohe being one of the highest quality brands that you can get these days for bathroom fittings. As we come around the side, you can also see we have this spectacular walk-in closet. We all love a good walk-in closet, a huge amount of space for, well, in my case, everything my wife would like to put in here. They've also come up with this idea in this development to actually put in this little shaft here. Initially, it is only there temporarily as it is optional. Technically, there could be a lift, an elevator, which takes you to the bottom floor and to the top floor from this ground floor level. So having this alternative for those who are slightly less easy access, then it's a very great advantage. As we come up this beautiful wooden floating staircase, we make our way up to the first floor. And on our first floor is where we will find a further 2 ensuite bedrooms. Again, the amount of light flooding in from all sides of this floor just make you realize that you are bathed in sunlight, which is beautiful. Now, welcome to the master bedroom. As we walk into this master bedroom, on the right, we have this incredible walk-in closet, which goes all the way around. And as you can see, from the master bedroom, you have the incredible sea view and this beautiful terrace where you can wake up and relax and enjoy not only that ocean breeze, but also the sea view and the open countryside in front of you. So the ensuite bathroom in the master bedroom provides you with this double sink unit, which is one piece, which is always appreciated. We have our floating toilet. We also have a bath, which also has its porcelainic finishes, and of course, a shower with its Hansgrohe fixtures, and of course, this porcelanosa tile finish. So here we are now in what most consider to be the most important room in the house. We are on our outside ground floor terrace. And as you can see, we have this incredible open space where we have our swimming pool, which is 7.5 by 3.5 meters, giving you a pretty large swimming pool with a sea view. The garden itself is copious, comfortable. It's enough to do all sorts of activities that you could share with your family and friends. The actual house itself consists of 226 square meters of built space on the top floor and the ground floor. And in a minute, I'm going to show you the extra 190 square meters that we have on the basement level, which I'm going to give you a bit of information about when we go down there. So as we sit out here on this incredible terrace, with your pool next to you, your kids playing in there, your wife lying on a lilo, this incredible sea view behind you, it really makes you appreciate what living on the coast is. This house consists of 3 bedrooms, which are already in place, and a total of 3 bathrooms, 2 of which are en suites at this point. However, there is also the basement, which I mentioned to you, which consists of 190 square meters of built space. Something which is interesting with this particular development, because when we go down there in a minute, you will see it is a little bit left in the raw, and there is a reason behind this. There are various different alternatives that the developer has put into place for you to choose how you would like to finish your house. You have the alternatives of an extra 2 bedrooms and a games room, maybe a cinema room, a sauna, a spa, a gym. That entire area downstairs has been left for the person who is interested in buying this property to do as they wish with that downstairs space. As we make our way down to the basement level, which is level just beneath our ground floor, you can immediately see that we have quite a lot of open space for storage. This is on either side of this stairwell. And here comes the wow factor. Right now, please bear in mind, this part of the house has not been completed because it is one of those options that will be provided for the buyer. Look at this space. 190 square meters for whoever decides to buy this property to choose the alternative they want when it comes to this particular area. Right now, the developer has about 7 different options for the person who actually buys there to turn it into a games room plus a gym and a sauna with an extra bedroom. You could have a cinema room and 2 extra bedrooms with an ensuite. There are so many different alternatives. What we love about this is right now, you can actually see that, well, these areas here are our English patios where the light comes flooding in from the floor above. It has been so well designed to have that natural light. And with this brickwork, it allows us to actually add windows or sliding doors and therefore give that extra bump of light to this area to make it look as bathed in sunlight as we felt on the first and second floors. As we come round to this final part of this basement, take a look at the options that I've just mentioned that the developer already has in place in plans for you to decide how you would like to finish your house.